here we are, a beautiful, beautiful stadium, like I say. And do you know what? The last time I came, what did I tell you? I stayed at the campus of Zanzibar University. Some of you might be familiar with exactly where I was. And this time I came, again, I felt I was in the Maldives for a moment. Where was I? I told these people, from the air, I'm looking, I see, wow, look at the blue water. Sheikh, it looks like we are flying over the Maldives. He said, what? I said, just look. Subhanallah. And we came in, they escorted us to a beautiful resort, Verdi. Whoa, Verdi. I'm looking at this place, I'm telling myself, is this really Zanzibar? I need to let the world know, please come to Zanzibar. Zanzibar, Hakuna Matata. Have you seen that one there? Please come to Zanzibar. I saw those brothers making a video where they had the picture and they were saying, welcome to Zanzibar, and they jumped into the water. I want to jump into the same water, inshallah. Inshallah. It's so beautiful. I want the world to know Zanzibar is a beautiful destination, halal friendly, amazing place. It has developed over the last 10 years and it will continue to develop, inshallah azza wa jal. When you are planning your holidays, wherever you are across the globe, consider Zanzibar, because wallahi you won't regret. Not only will you see beautiful beaches and lovely weather, you will witness the beautiful hearts of the lovely people of this nation. And you will also be treated with an amazing market where you can buy some of the best spices on earth. Do you agree? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Beautiful. Some of the best spices on earth. So the spice market, when I recall the last time, just driving past and there was a beautiful smell, and I'm thinking to myself, just look at this place. I wish I could just become invisible in order to be able to walk through the way I wanted. MashaAllah. But well done. Wallahi, I'm here to congratulate you as a nation. The leadership and all the way down to the last person, you have done well. Preserve it. We are here to let the rest of the world know as well. This place is underrated. We need to let the world know it exists. And you know what? We need to let the world know, when you are planning your next break and holiday, consider Zanzibar, mashallah.